Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to show you how you can play with filters and images, okay, which will be very interesting also. So here I have already discussed in my previous video how you can implement low pass filter and high pass filter for images in MATLAB. Now let's take one image and perform the filtering operation and let's have some fun, okay. So the code is quite simple. CLC clear all, close all, warning off. Warning off, if you want you can write, if you want you can ignore. Then I am taking one image test.jpg. Let me just show you the image. IM show X. Okay, if I run this particular part of the code, I'll be having this particular beautiful image. Okay, I hope you have seen already this one. Now tell me, if I pass this particular image as signal for filtering, and if our filter is low pass filter, what will be the output, and if the filter is high pass filter, what will be the output? See, here you can understand, here in this center region the pixel intensity are not changing very rapidly. It is changing but not very rapidly. But as you move towards the boundary, see, the pixel intensities are changing very rapidly, once going towards white or 255 intensity level, and once at the next instance it is moving towards 0 or black or dark color. So as a result we can say that as we move from center to the boundary, we will be reaching to high frequency component and center position is low frequency component. So if I pass this particular image through low pass filter, I will be having the centered part and rest the boundary parts as blur version. And if I pass this particular image as high pass filter, I will be mostly having this particular boundary output, and the centered part will be attenuated. Attenuated means, in image attenuation means what? It will become darker because zero value is black, completely dark. So when you pass through this signal through high pass filter, it will attenuate all the low frequency component. There is amplitude will decrease, and as a result the pixel intensity will be close to 0. So as a result it will look darker. So let us visualize now. So what I have done for visualization purpose, let me just remove IM show. I am taking Gaussian filter for showing the low pass implementation. I can write here title low pass filter output, and then in another figure I have taken Laplacian mask, okay, for high pass filter implementation, and here I can give the title as high pass filter output. Now let us run the code. Same code will be posted in the description box, no need to worry. So here you can see what we have tried to feel using theory. Same concept we can visualize here. This is our original image and this is our low pass filter output. As I have told you, the boundary sides are high frequency component. So see, boundary sides are blurred, but the center part is remaining as it is, because you can see that the intensity level change is not that much rapid. That means centered part is low frequency component. And if you check the high pass filter output, you will be checking that center part, that is low frequency part, become completely black, and as we move towards boundary it is quite clearly visible. Okay, so this kind of play with images using filter you can do by your own. Take some random images from Google, apply moving average filter, apply median filter by introducing some salt and pepper noise, apply Gaussian filter, apply Sobel edge detection, Kenny edge detection, Prewitt edge detection, Laplacian filter. Okay, you will feel this domain very interesting, I am sure. Okay, same code will be posted in the description box. If you want you can check there. And this is all for this video. Thank you for watching.